A labor union that represents workers at a Springfield courthouse held another protest ahead of a trial before the Supreme Judicial Court, now scheduled for next week. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco was live in the studio with the latest findings from a new report which shows more issues with the building.
Yeah, that's right. People working inside the Roderick, Ireland courthouse continue to fight for a new building as reported mold issues persist and as a lawsuit gets ready to take place in Boston.
The OPEIU Local 6 and those who work inside the Roderick, Ireland courthouse back in front once again Monday afternoon, ahead of a lawsuit involving the trial court set to be heard by the Supreme Judicial Court next month. The Supreme Judicial Court requesting a one-week continuance of trial while finalizing a settlement agreement. It was originally scheduled for Wednesday. The lawsuit is for the concern of mold and unhealthy air quality within the Springfield Courthouse. Technicians hired by the Massachusetts trial court found airborne PCBs in 2 rooms at the Roderick, Ireland courthouse last month. That's according to an air quality report released last Friday. An independent study earlier this year found toxic, cancer-causing mold inside the building.
I have a hazmat suit on because this is pretty much what everybody needs to have right now.
Workers hoping their message is heard that the courthouse is an unsafe place to work.
Get your people out of here. Put them in a safe environment. We're not breathing in these mold spores. We're not breathing in this hazardous material.
The local union representing these workers has been holding rallies outside the courthouse over the past several weeks, demanding the state shut down the building and build a new one.
I've always had a little bit of allergies, but now last 15 years I've had sinus infections.
Before moving to a temporary work location, Donna Jascully has worked in the courthouse for the last 17 years. She's blaming the recent mold findings as the cause for her asthma because of the building's air quality.
I'm hoping that they'll close the building down and build a new courthouse because this building you can't cover up mold. I think it keeps growing back.
So the latest assessment, which was conducted on April 1st, said conditions are improving and mold is not impacting the indoor air throughout most of the building. A court date is now set for Tuesday, May 3rd in Boston. Working for you live in the studio, Nick Oresco, 22 News.